Right, we have came to the most beautiful and important and secret place here in Sweden. Like, what is important? Okay, Sana, what is so unique here where you bring it? This is like lamb curry in more Pakistani way. So you. अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ताबिश है और आप देख रहे हैं मेरी ये वीडियो ताशिफा यूट्यूब चैनल। एक्चुअली आज बहुत प्यारा दिन निकला हुआ है और हम सारे तैयार होके माबू उसमें कहाँ पर आए हैं हम कहाँ पर आए हैं? पानी में। तो हम खाना वगैरह लेके आए हैं साथ, अभी हम वहाँ पे बैठ के खाना खाएंगे। तो यहाँ पर बैठ के अभी हम लंच करेंगे एंड दिस इज़ द व्यू, इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल। So Mabu says that she don't want to sit क्योंकि गंदा हुआ हुआ। क्या गंदा हुआ हुआ यहाँ पे? क्या गंदा गया है तो साफ़ कर लो ना बेटा आप इसको। इधर कोई अभी पहले खा के गया है तो आप लोग इसको साफ़ कर सकते हैं। तो हम क्या क्या बना के लाए थे ना आज, ये हमारा खाना है इसके अंदर सारा। बड़ी प्यारी है कि ये बॉनफायर टाइप लाइक बारबेक्यू आप अपना कर सकते हैं और आप उसके इर्द गिर्द बैठ सकते हैं। बेंच बनाया हुआ लकड़ियों का किसी ने, और किसी ने लकड़ियाँ भी रखी हुई हैं ला के, चाहे रात के वक्त अगर कोई बैठा है और फन कर रहा है यहाँ पे तो लकड़ियाँ भी। तो मावू अब क्लीन हो गया सारा?
हाथ साफ करें।
हाथ साफ करने के लिए टिश्यू भी आ गए।
मुझे मिलेगा, उष्णा को भी देती हूँ।
This is another benefit when you are living little bit outside big city. Actually in Sweden, if you are even in a big cities, you can find a nice nature not more than 5-10 minutes drive. We actually live quite much in a nature, so it just took me 2 minutes drive. We could have walk here also, and now we are on this nice water. It's really peaceful and calm here, and we have bring food with us. We're gonna eat here and we'll go. Today is a really nice day. Sun is shining. It's not windy so much, and also it's not so chilly, so this is a perfect weather to be out. Somebody has told me that these days are called Indian winter. I don't know what is the background on that, but Indian winter. So I'm gonna show you the food what we have. So this is we have in our small family picnic. Like we have this sauce which is from coriander and yogurt. Wait a minute. And this is like rice and lamb curry with potatoes and soup. We have some salad. This is really delicious because this is like,
Can we start?
yes, you can eat. You can put Sana, you can. So this is like lamb curry in more Pakistani way. So you eat it with the bread. So here we have done a bread, homemade bread. It's a healthy bread, very good. So we're gonna eat it. Then we have some water. We have some soda stream, and then we have some coffee. Is it coffee or tea?
Chai.
It's a tea. So yeah, I think that was a good decision. Really nice. So now I'm gonna sit and eat some lunch, and then I will show you around. We will go up there, and there is, what is that, Sarah? It's a coal mine?
It's not coal mine. It's mines with some stone mine.
Yeah, it's some mine there. I don't know which mine is that, but that's a nice place. So this is a place called Ulfors in Bullebygd. You know, the bags of. This Sana we have forgot. Okay, kids have spilled some food. We need to clean this. This is Ushna's food. Ushna, is it good? Huh? You like it? And here is Mabu's food. Mabu, what is this?
Rice with both lamb boti meat and rice and just potatoes and soup.
Okay, and Sana is doing her photography for her story. I think our whole family is now vlogger. So, Sana, do you think it was a good decision?
Yes, I think.
Okay, let's start. Okay, Ji, we have done the lunch now. So, Vishna was a little bit slow in eating, so now Sana is feeding her. Besides that, I think this was really nice to come here with your food and you eat it here. Now we will go up there for a walk, and there's some mine there. We will see what kind of mine is that. I've never been there. So, Mabu wants me to film her. Now here is a here is a tea.
कृष्णा को बना दी रोटी।
मिली है ये।
चाय है ये।
It will be really fun to have a tea here. एक कप चाय का इम्पोर्टेंट है ना माबू?
अभी हवा चल रही, चाय पकड़ो, मैं गाड़ी में रख गाड़ी की।
Now we are going to the walk to the mine. Yeah. So this is really beautiful. When you go here in winter, you need to be really careful. This is really beautiful place, so calm and yet not so far from our home.
कैमरामैन भाई ने मेरा काम किया था।
So this one we have to follow.
We are going to
Some treasure. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, Mavu. So,
पकड़ लिया
जी।
so finally,
Hi, Bishila.
after all that hike, we has came to the most beautiful. So after all that height, we have came to the most beautiful and important and secret place here in Sweden. You will not even believe me. This is so beautiful, which I'm just gonna show you when I will flip my camera. So please ready. And yeah, this Sana has explored this place. Nobody knew about this place before, and this is really beautiful. You will not be disappointed now. Okay, let me show you now. This is what is the most secret place in Sweden, Ulsfors, and this is the mine which this girl bring us to show here. So yeah, it's beautiful actually. It's a mine, yeah, and they have a Santa Claus here. Somebody put him here, like, And Ushna is so excited.
Something.
So here is the history of this.
film me.
This is the stones which is
So we come up after hiking, and she gonna tell us like what is important. Okay, Sana, what is so unique here where you
these
bring
are
it?
some unique stones. These stones are called färspalt in Swedish and some salt in English.
Okay.
And it is the mine of this stone, and they can take the stones from here
Okay.
and refine it and make some things from the stone.
Okay.
So these are very special stones actually. Bismillah.
Why the heck you have bring us here?
I wanted to show you a mine.
Okay.
This white stone, this is like Sangamarmar. So
I don't know.
But it
Marble.
is not. It is
So this is like marble. you
like
mean.
marble. Yeah, these are the stones which they take out and refine them.
So this is really slippery here. Oh my god, I was so be careful. Look at this. You can really it can really go. So Anushna is with me and I'm vlogging with one hand. This is so dangerous if you come here in winter because it will be so much snow here. I don't think it's possible to go up in snow. So guys, that was a very quick vlog of we just did a little outing with our lunch, eat lunch on a nice place, and then Sana showed us this mine up there, and now we are over way back home. So please, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I normally post videos about lifestyle in Sweden, and my channel is for those who are new in Sweden or who are planning to move to Sweden, so you will find a lot of useful information. Besides that, I am also telling you how you can sell on Amazon from anywhere in the world, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. I'm also in that phase, so I'm sharing my knowledge with you. So have a nice day, and yeah, pray for me. Allah Hafiz. You want anybody wanna say Allah Hafiz?
Allah Hafiz.
Hedo, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.
कुत्ते पड़ गए थे हमें।
एकदम वो है ना कि कौन आ गया